Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 84,719 new corona cases were reported all over India. There is continuing decline in number of cases in India. This is a very good sign. Total number of active cases were 11.21 lakhs. As of yesterday, 24.93 crore Indians got vaccinated. In Mumbai, yesterday, 721 new cases were reported. There is continuing decline in number of cases. 5 states which still account for almost 50% of the cases are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. In 11 days of June, Mumbai city clocks more than average June rainfall. There is a heavy rainfall in Mumbai for last couple of days. Efficacy data for phase 3 trials of Covaxin will be published in 7 to 8 days time as per the COVID task force chief. No emergency use. US FDA asked Bharat Biotech to obtain full approval before it is allowed to be used in USA. Mukul Roy, who joined BJP from TMC on November 3, 2017, returned back to TMC after quitting BJP yesterday. Indian stock market continuing its incline yesterday also, and BSE Sensex closed 174 points above the previous day closed and closed at 52,475 points. That is, Indian stock markets are now at an all-time high. $1 was equal to 73.07 rupees. During the month of May, passenger vehicle shown a drop of almost 65% compared to the April month. This is due to the lockdown in various parts of India. Country's foreign exchange reserve crossed $600 billion for the first time in the week ending June 4. Steel Authority of India Limited, that is SAIL, reported 31% increase in net consolidated profit for the quarter ending 2021 compared to the quarter ending 2020. DLF, one of the leading real estate company in India, reported a net profit of 481 crore for the quarter ending 2021 compared to a loss of rupees 1,865 crore for the quarter ending March 20. Jio introduced 5 new freedom plans with no daily cap on the data use. Earlier plans were having a cap on the daily data use. Once you cross that data, you are not able to access the data. That is removed so that people can use the full availability of the data during the plan period. A new plan was introduced for 15 days at rupees 127 with 12 GB of uncapped daily limit data. Similarly, they have introduced plan for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days and 365 days with no cap on the daily usage of the data. Earlier plans were for 28 days or 84 days and it was very difficult for people to remember the due dates. With now a new plans with either 15 days, that is half monthly, 30 days, that is monthly, or 60 days or 90 days or 365 days, and it's become easy for the people to remember when there is a due date. Also, once the data limit on the daily usage is removed, people can use someday more data whenever they want to use the data as per their requirement. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.